In this video, I'm going to cover a quick Figma design. To get started, what I'm going to do is I'm going to set up a frame first. And the frame is set up, and I'm going to change the width to 1132 by 563. All right, so that's set up. I'm going to get the hand tool to get this frame into the screen. Okay, perfect. Now we can see it. The next thing I want to do is I want to add an image to this. So I'm going to go here, place image. I'm going to select this cool cat, place it here. What I like to do is usually I want to be half the size of the frame. So let's select the cool cat, bring it here. And first I'm going to adjust it. All right. Let me grab the hand tool again, bring this into frame. I'm going to grab the move tool, and I'm gonna make this half the size of the frame. All right, so it looks like about half the size of the frame. All right, so once that's done, the next thing what I like to do is I wanna give this frame color. To do that, usually I like to pick the color from the photo, and how you can do that is if you select this rectangle, let's click here, and let's pick 3 colors from the photo. So I'm going to go here, select the color picker, and let's try this pink one first. Let's do another one. Let's go here. Maybe this yellow. Let's do one more. And let's try that blue one. And boom. All right, so once that's done, what I like to do next is I like to test out the colors to see how it looks. So select the frame and select the color picker. The first one, it's okay. Try the second one. Sorry, Control X. Select the frame. Let's try this one. Okay, that doesn't look bad. How about the blue? All right, I like the blue. That's my favorite. All right, so now the color's done. The photo looks good. The last thing I want to do is I want to add text. So I'm going to click the text tool, click here, and I'm going to type cool cat. Poolside vibes, and let's bring this here, and let's adjust this a little. Yep, and let's give it some letter spacing. So if you come here just a little bit. All right, and that looks pretty good. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel.